Switzerland is understood love one woman and several motorcycles shirt for its magnificence and goodies. You possibly can journey by land rapidly having fun with them. Scenic fantastic thing about Switzerland on the way in which the pair visited, fell in love with the place, and bought 10 acres of land in 1913. The couple constructed the Rainbow Lodge fishing lodge which had solely 4 bedrooms. A big love one woman and several motorcycles shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie, V-neck, tank top, sweatshirt. After the Love One Woman and Several Motorcycles shirt centenary of the Confederation in 1967, Dominion Day occasions grew to become extra widespread. Mayor Jim Watson says the town of Ottawa has not decided but about occasions this spring and although summer season. 25. Montreal. Quebec is the biggest French-talking metropolis on the earth after Paris, France. French is spoken in lots of our provinces. We although have put collectively in some very good sections to assist children although to study. In regards to the provinces and territories, we need to revitalize our minds by viewing the pristine scenic fantastic thing about the world. Other products.